health drink to boost immunity power and keep disease away. This drink is for to boost your immunity power to fight against disease. To prepare this drink, we need only 4 ingredients. Turmeric powder. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is believed to act as an antiviral, antibacterial, and antiparasitic property. Ginger. Bioactive substance in fresh ginger can reduce throat infection. Jaggery powder. It is rich in minerals. I have taken it for taste. And then our main ingredients is lemon. It has antioxidant property that helps to protect cells from damaging. Lemon has rich in vitamin C. It strengthens immune system. Now let me tell you how to prepare this. Take 1 glass of hot water. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, few pieces of splashed ginger. Add jaggery powder as per taste. I have added 3 tablespoons. Then take half lemon and squeeze the juice. Now our healthy drink is ready to boost our immunity power.